Hello students, greetings from our wonderful channel that is Edulux Rank Up Classes, and you can see the name on the screen, Edulux Rank Up Classes. So first of all beta, I want to tell you the motto of our institute, motto of our organization. So our main motive is to give knowledge to the students. Those are from every part of the world. It doesn't matter students belong to this area or any other area. So our main motive to enhance the knowledge of the students those belong to the every part of the world. So I want to tell you about our Edulux Rank Up Classes. So it's an online platform that is imparting the education to the students. So now I want to tell you which kind of courses and which kind of classes are there to whom we are providing the knowledge. So our main focus for 9th and 10th standard is that we are giving knowledge or we are providing study for NTSC, all kind of Olympiad, as well as we are covering the complete CBSE syllabus. If we talk about 10th, 11th and 12th syllabus, so our main motive, our main focus for 11th and 12th standard is that to prepare students for JEE Main and Advanced as well as NEET examination. As you hear or see, so many students after plus 1 standard, after plus 2 standard, they take a break for revising all kind of things. So we deviate from this rule and our main focus to prepare students from plus 1 standard. So we have 2 years and we give step by step all kind of competitive knowledge for the students and all kind of study material. Now there will be question in your mind ki how you are providing study material to the students. You are providing online coaching. So students and parents, I want to tell you, we have arranged complete literature, complete study material, offline study material also that you can get by sitting at your home on your address. That will help you, that will give you additional benefit. Here you are attending online classes, so you can revise the things by offline material also. And one more thing students, you can study anywhere, anytime by our classes. So we have 2 type of options for live classes. So these options are, these are previous live classes and upcoming live classes. So many times students miss their classes due to some reason. So don't worry for that. When they are free, they can take the benefit of previous live classes also, so that they can match the syllabus of upcoming live classes also. And so many times students, there are questions in the mind of parents as well as students. Then yes, we are attending the live classes, okay, and we are attending or watching the previous live classes also, okay. Then we need a lot of practice for that also. Don't worry. So we have the pattern of DPP. You can say that daily practice paper. So these are so many points like well designed study material is there, recorded videos of highly qualified or highly experienced faculty from the best part of India. So these teachers are working in this direction and providing you DPP also, like daily practice paper. So after attending live session at Telegram app, you can get daily practice paper for enhancing your knowledge, for recapitulation of the matter that you have studied during the live session, okay. And now you can see that live classes of complete syllabus are also there. So here don't worry, so many times the students think that and parents think that yeah, they are giving live classes, Okay, they will complete the syllabus or not? Don't worry, students and parents. Yeah, we will complete syllabus. We'll complete syllabus. We assure you we'll complete syllabus. And one more thing, beta, and as well as parents also, just like it is a demand of the hour, there should be formative assessment. So for that, or for fulfilling the demand, we have arranged Sunday test. Okay, and in those Sunday tests we are not only giving answers, we are providing explanation of those questions, and if there is any doubt to the students, they may ask their doubt on upcoming live classes. And so many times students think that no, I want answer of this question just now. I want to clarify my doubt just now at this time. Yes, there is one more option. That is one-to-one doubt. One more option is there, that is one-to-one doubt. So in those doubts, students can write their doubts, okay, and send their doubts on a particular website. I'll show you the number of that also. And our faculty members, our teachers are giving answer a one-to-one doubts of the students. Okay, and one more thing, like in offline classes, parents are attending PTM after 2 or 3 months. So we have the options and separate dashboard for parents also. There they can discuss their problems regarding their ward to the teachers. Okay, so in this way teachers also are getting the psychological level of the students, that will help them to teach the students in a better way. Okay, so I want to say that our wonderful channel has a motive of stepping stone to success of the students. So it's my personal suggestion to you all, yeah, join our channel. But before joining directly on my appeal link, yeah, you can see the videos of our faculty member, of our teachers on YouTube also, and after that you can take decisions. So thank you students, thank you parents, thanks a lot.